Isaac, it's me. I wish I could talk to you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about everything. I just wish I could talk to someone. It's all falling apart here. I can't believe what's happening. Strange. Such a little thing.
That's her? Nicole?
Yeah. First I've heard from her in weeks.
We're 5 minutes out. You still got that thing on repeat? Guess you really miss her.
Ishimura is not a job you turn down, but 6 months apart with only vid calls? It's rough. Easy to say the wrong thing.
I don't blame you. I'd listen to my girlfriend over Hammond reciting security protocols.
Forewarned is forearmed, Miss Daniels.
So you keep saying.
Here we go. Nice clean re-entry. Just
Imagine 6 months staring at that chunk of rock.
To an independent miner, that's paradise. Aegis 7 is one of the richest finds in CEC history. Some prospecting teams set up for life. Now where is she?
There. Confirming visual contact with USG Ishimura.
What a beauty. Biggest planet cracker in her class, you know. And it looks like they already popped the cork.
Why is it so dark? We should be able to see her running lights.
Yeah. I'll get us into hailing range. Someone's got to be waiting up for us.
Just be careful on the approach. I'm not taking any chances with the CEC's pride and joy.
No chances, huh? Is that why you were digging into my personnel files before we left?
You track your file access?
I'm a computer analyst. Comes with the job.
I ran standard CEC background checks, Miss Daniels. If you want to work in the big leagues, you have to play ball.
Sir, we're in hailing range. USG Ishimura, this is the emergency maintenance team of the USG Kelly, responding to your distress call. Come in, Ishimura. Ishimura, do you copy? Come in. This is the USG Kelly.
You ever hear of a full communications blackout on one of these things?
Never. Come on. Someone pick up the damn phone.
What the hell is that?
Sounds like their communication array is busted. Maybe a broken encoder. Daniels and I can handle it in 48 hours, max.
Hey, that gives you plenty of time to catch up with Nicole.
Yeah, I hope so.
Jen, Johnson, take us in.
Gravity tethers engaged. Automated docking. Let's go.
I'm losing control.
Fuck! We're on course!
Daniel!
Guidance system override isn't responding.
Shit, we're coming in too high. He's gonna smash us into the hull.
Jen, aim for that emergency stabilizer. There, the blue light. It might slow us down.
Got it.
Everyone okay?
I'm good.
I'll live. Hey, Johnston, you alright?
It's my ankle. Might be broken.
Shit, but better than a broken neck. Or worse. Good call on the stabilizer, Isaac.
Gotta always read the manual.
What the fuck's going on with flight control? That guidance system's a death trap.
Better add it to your repair list. Jen, what's our damage?
Comps are down. We lost the port booster. Got a fire in one of the stabilizers and... Singularity core's a mess. Could be worse, but not by much.
Then let's get some help. Johnston, stay with the Kelly. We'll send a medic. Everyone else, with me.
Haluku tuilluutuutaqarpaa qatiis pilaassin tikilluatsi.
Dead space.
Long time. Специалистмисааннарпара аттата специалистиппара тритамисилинникунгалуарпара мунсиплаajерлунга таава аттиитситаамисилиппара мисилеққааттаани qanapisuqassana orkuatuangassatuorninngitakkaanu tarsiassani ulikkaaruarpu qanapisuqarsimanerani ersikkaluarpu Makukuyo piniangilakkaw toqatseraluaqaanga spillingerlarsortittariaqassuaraa taamislikkakku narpattarpat happa tapati
Let's get this
tu
done, Isaac.
da di
Hey, Isaac. Coming?
Aqsamunnerpaafissaanu iliniko ko taava eqsaannerpaafissaani ilinikoonarana massakkuisikku taamaarpoq
At least we didn't take out the sign.
minarungittami unaqqullingisaraatummita unakisimaqullingisaraatorpoq sikkernermaqulaatumaani I love it.
Isaac, come sync your rig.
Welcome, Isaac Clarke, to the USG Ishimura. Rig synced. Collect kinesis and stasis modules from Acting Chief Engineer Jacob Temple. Location? Error. Employee not found.
I can't reach security.
Same for the chief engineer. What is wrong with their comms?
Tingoarsinnaavakka namnipilamasanguaratorlugu аалла инертерсиннаангилаанга
Someone left in a hurry.
Makun nutaarsiassakuyuu ilissinammanis pillerlusiimartarumarparsi taava pilerisaarutaarnaavimmis piller
No power to the elevator.
For God's sake. That security console is still working. Isaac, get a damage report. I'm done playing around.
nadungilaqaqanupisoqassanersu
Does anyone else smell that?
Smell what?
Like something died in the air vents.
takkop spillersaringaarmat taamatakingullattaassa
Isaac, I need that damage report.
Oh God, that smell.
What have you got, Isaac?
Shit. It's not just comms or the guidance system. Half the Ishimura's in the red. Engines, hull, the trams.
Could do that kind of damage to a planet cracker.
Okay, got us some power. Ventilation's up. Power to the elevator should be...
Hazardous anomaly detected. Quarantine activated.
Another malfunction?
No. The quarantine systems are all fine.
Oh, wait. Do you hear that?
Yeah, I hear it.
Hammond?
Take it easy. Daniels, get those elevators running.
There's something in here with us.
Daniels, get the doors open!
Get out of there!
Kendra, doors!
I got it! Go!
Doon sunod na ako doon. Spiller sagt da ist ein paar Sound lang gegangen. 시작하면 근데 복수치가 약속 마지막 따라서 갑자기 쪽 봤을수 맞지 mình đã 시작이 sẽ bị một Amaruan na pak nasa loob tayo di facciamo di anni ma se magsisad tu pa ki tu ni di come on David shoot die. M60 shoot. Bilang. Okay, shoot. Apa? Ada. Ini sekomplit. Actually, dan bisa ditaks nog eens koplo. Ba? Maktak tuh damat tak yo. Ba? Another isang na matid. Yak takaya ka pa. Kay manat sa cockroach ta ko pang ba. Ba ngo.
Security request retrieved.
It didn't die. We shot that fucker right between the eyes and it didn't die. Smith had to shoot its fucking arms and legs off. For God's sake, send help!
Let dead. Okay. Ba maroktokin hun sok tak. Okay. Wicho. Ba di tu. Sakit pasal dah tu. What to say?
Isaac. Oh my god, Isaac. You made it.
Just... they're everywhere. Shin, is he,
He's gone. Nothing I can do. What the fuck are these things?
The ones I saw, some of them were wearing Ishimura uniforms.
They're the crew? How the hell can they be the crew? Look at them.
We need to get to the bridge. There's 1,000 people on board. Someone will be there.
We can't. The tram system's wrecked. Everything's locked down because of the quarantine.
And you're both repair techs, so how do we do this?
There's a broken tram car blocking the tunnel. It's gridlocked the system, and the data board's burned out. I can't lift the lockdown or call the tram until we get a spare from the maintenance bay. But it's all on Isaac's side of a quarantine.
I'll handle it. Just make sure there's power to the repair systems.
And Isaac?
Yeah?
I'm sure Nicole's okay. She's a doctor, right? She'll do the smart thing.
Yeah. Yeah, she always does. Find somewhere safe. I'll be back soon.
Ayuko. Okay, mình đang mình on rồi nè. Data pass. Okay, data pass yo akasho ha. Ooh, yeah. Yo. Спилиаллартеққарнаа саавернаақун илуарнеруссооқ саллоқаттаатингилассига саавеққарлугу сигиллууллугу илуарнеруссаақ таавоқиннерусуми ингерлатиссуаақаа моқарпиин инуни топпилси таавасуқсиуссуа такмуссоо Dava. Tak tu ba tu beti tu ba daripada ba la ba. No, tamanin ni ko. Nakabawa. Saan nakilimang araw? Reload. Okay. Apa cakap kau su? Actually, 일단은 낙수놓고 이러니 낙수놓고 아이씨 오케이야. Dabango, nataksiya sa kanong mingo. Panak sa tukang nila ko yan kami. Waktu sa kanila, mising isa sa kanila nga. Nagkatukan kanya si... Dia pasti tu ba aku nutak mana sok lu tidak pas kita macam singa dong Seskuta tinggal sunat tama tak kaya utong matama tu ngakanak sinaw. Ash. Joy. Nusa kang tanong. Tupa 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 titu da 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 da. Ano na? Nilaksak taktik. Dalawa ka. 적 솔진 않가? 아메트리칸. 오케이. Tawa ko na ko sumitak ko kakasindan mo pagka. Come on, tapos yan. Shoo, shoo. You're the boss. Tupa dito. Sabi kasi namin duguraso. Medium. Naman na akin ni ko nga mas pili. Isusuparak to sa rock. Tupasa ako ng ano. Tupa dito. Da. I need to ammo. Ako sata ka nipo. Malinaming ako na. Hello there, buddy. How are you today? Tabango. Hello there, buddy. How are you today? One is super parameter siya sa kapwa, ha? Pingitone. Vivasok sungos to siya sinasaro. What sila kasubmit to siya?
Isaac, don't bother shooting those fuckers in the head. Doesn't even slow them down.
Okay. The only way is hacking them apart. Those arms, their legs.
Does that even kill them? Or do they just stop moving?
Tupa dito. Da.
Message retrieved.
Vents into engineering. You got a stasis module handy? We need one in tram maintenance stat. The autoloader's fried. I got a damaged tram car on the tracks, and if the whole system's gridlocked, guess who they're calling? Temple here, sending a stasis module now. What happened to the autoloader? No idea. A lot of shit's been breaking down. I keep hearing things. Down in the gears where no one could be. You know? I know.
I know. Hello there, buddy. How are you today? Perfect day. Tupa, what the fuck is this? I don't know. Is this? J'attends là une libération. T'as une libération de surtout non plus la présidente.
Repair systems online. Loading system reinitialized. Autoloader malfunction. Please contact a repair technician.
So, namesang larak pa si Pang. Tokusak naksuanga. Shogavich. Okarutuak ni Nipakaksuchitu. One down. Here we go. Bam! Hello! Đá vào hộp. Nó trọc tập bát. Yếu xịt. Tepat itu. Da.
Left loader claw engaged.
Okay.
Right loader claw disengaged.
Any luck moving that tram car?
The autoloader's busted, but stasis should do the trick. Just gotta time it.
Great. But hurry. Okay? Sound carries down here.
Right loader claw disengaged.
Đó sẽ đào mò đi ngó rốt.
Right loader claw engaged. Replacing damaged tram car. Please stand by.
Đó. Chuyện liên quan đời chưa rồi. Có xử lý. Thank you.
Tram replacement complete.
You got it. The tram was jamming the whole system.
That's one down. You said a data board was fried too?
Inventory says there's a spare board in the maintenance bay. We can't run the trams without it.
Dapat itu. I don't know where this. Con. This way. Believe na saktin lerani. Aliás, saktin di mana? Di mangindak pa. Siun nganing. Mình ngon á. Yep. Relax. Shooty pang pang. Shooty pang 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 pang. Bilasak sa kama kasi di ko na rin sinakan eh. Kapag nakakisyan niya kasaglikan eh. Ito na nilupigin eh. Tama ko mo? No. Kalau pakataban nito sabi. Ano episode si Wikin Hodgson nakpatama reaksyon mo. Nanakarat po kasi ako na sinasya pa sin naksak sa masasita mas pa ito siya matagus. Bye bye.